Artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to redefine the in-car gaming landscape. It is poised to change the way we play, the way we interact, and the way we experience games within our vehicles. Imagine a world where your in-car game learns from you, remembers your preferences, and personalizes your gaming experience. Imagine a game that grows with you, adapting to your skill level and changing tactics to keep you engaged and challenged. This is the future of in-car gaming, made possible by AI. The technology can make games more interactive, more immersive, and more personalized than ever before. It learns from your behavior, your likes, your dislikes, and molds the gaming experience to fit you. It's a game that knows you, that adapts to you, and that evolves with you. The integration of AI in in-car gaming is not just about enhancing the gaming experience, it's about creating a new standard for in-car entertainment. As we step into the future, the question isn't whether AI will transform in-car gaming, but how. Remember how we've traced the evolution of in-car gaming, from simple dash displays to immersive experiences? AI has been a key player in this journey, enhancing the gaming experience in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. AI doesn't just change the game, it reinvents it. It brings sophisticated personalization, adapts to players' preferences, and even learns to create new challenges. AI turns every car ride into a unique gaming adventure, making it more than just a way to kill time during long drives. But the potential of AI goes beyond gaming. It's set to revolutionize in-car entertainment as a whole, bringing virtual reality, augmented reality, and other immersive experiences right to the passenger seat. The car isn't just a vehicle anymore, it's a mobile entertainment hub. With AI, the future of in-car gaming is not just about playing games, it's about experiencing them.